Hello guys, this is my first vlog for doing research at data for IT companies. आजकल के दौर में इफ़ यू नोटिस लाइक हर कंपनी को बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट के लोगों की ज़रूरत है सो दैट दे कैन डू सम सेल्स, दे कैन डू सम लीड जनरेशन. बट गोइंग फॉर बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट यू शुड नो कि आप किस टाइप ऑफ आपको पता होना चाहिए कि व्हाट इज़ योर टारगेट ऑडियंस, आपने किस मार्केट में क्या सेल करना है. For that, in my opinion or based on my experience, I always feel that we need to go for ideal customer profile. Now people don't know what is ideal customer profile. Business development के जाने के लिए आपको ideal customer profile का पता होना चाहिए. Ideal customer profile, the definition of the ideal customer profile, in my opinion, like the people who are ideally fit for your product and for your services. Whatever you are selling, they are ideally fit for you. Ideal customer profile or ICP is based on 4 important or integral parts. That is something you should know about it. Okay, the first thing is like demographics. Okay, which location is best for you to sell? Typically where your clients are based और जहाँ पे आपका head office located होता है यूनाइटेड स्टेट में. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ इट इज़ इन फ्लोरिडा तो एटलीस्ट यू शुड नो कि फ्लोरिडा के अंदर इट्स वेरी क्योंकि आपका हेड ऑफिस वहाँ है तो दैट लोकेशन वुड बी सूटेबल फॉर यू. और वेयर योर क्लाइंटेल इज बेस्ड, इफ योर क्लाइंटेल इज बेस्ड इलिनॉय तो एज अ सेकंड प्रायोरिटी यू कैन यूज दैट लोकेशन एज वेल सो दैट लोगों को पता हो कि यार यू आर ऑलरेडी वर्किंग विद दैट with people in that particular area. The second thing is industry. What your product is fit for what industry? Is it for retail? Is it for healthcare? Is it for everyone that includes it? Or maybe you can categorize it like maybe retailer, healthcare, and then अगर आपकी product हर industry के लिए fit है. The second important part is like what is your target audience. Like if your product is fit for marketing people, you should target marketing people like CMOs, chief marketing officer, or marketing director or something like that. Then similarly if it is for IT, then you should target CIO. C is level like the very biggest title in any company, and before that is chairman as well. But chief information officer is something that he knows each and everything about IT in that particular company. Or the last part is basically that you should know the size of the company. That means the revenue of the company. For example, your product is like $10,000 and you are targeting $1 billion companies. That is something you should know that what is the revenue size of the company जहाँ पे आप आपकी products अगर because $1 billion company will not gonna buy if your product is worth like $10,000 unless and until it is very unique or something. So ये जो चीज़ें हैं data entry के लिए. This is my first vlog. I will explain more what type of tool that are being used in data entry for IT companies only, and what type of the people we are looking for, how we pull up data, how we do such thing to gather the right data. Because I feel if you don't have the right data, you will never be able to do the business development. Business development is a sales field where you are generating new logos, like new आप leads लेकर नई companies के साथ आप आ रहे हो. So that is something very very important to know. For the first vlog, this is like all, but I will then this is the first video, and the second video will be coming soon. About researching the data, and then the third video is on what type of tool that are being used. So thank you so much guys, please keep watching my vlogs. I will share more information again and again, more and more, so that people get to know how to do researching and data, and get their jobs easily. I will be definitely displaying my number in near future, and so that you can contact me for further learning and knowledge transfer. All right, thank you so much, have a nice day.